All right, one day down, four more to go. It is actually let me check my mic. Yep. All right, cool. It's about 10 to 3 right now. Here's the daily. The daily on the SPX. It's not a bad retracement. It looks like an indecisive bar. The upper tail and lower tail are the same. So I could count that as a flag. We could call that a flag. Tomorrow, if it breaks the high, that would be a good entry. We may even see a little more pullback tomorrow to complete the flag. I mean, this is a good run up, so we could run and test this low, and it'd still be a pretty good flag. So we'll see what it does tomorrow. Um, the Feds are trying to hammer the market down, so I'm pretty impressed with the resiliency. So I'm neutral pending the bear flag, or bearish pending, bullish pending the bear flag. Neutral to bullish pending the bear flag on S&P. And let's take a look at Bitcoin. All right, so we popped and broke this, and then we traded back pretty quickly. I really don't like that it did that. Momentum looks like it's rolling over a little bit. There's nothing here to call it a flag or anything. This is just a wait and see. If it breaks below this bar, that would be a fail of the breakout. Then you could probably expect it to come down and test this lower bar right here. So that's what we'll keep our eye out for. We're actually neutral right now, neutral pending the break of this high, the break of the high of 318, which was 42,360. And we'll keep an eye on that. And I'll do the rest in the morning. That's it. Short and sweet. That's what we're looking at as far as trades go. So remember, if you're feeling strung out, you're trading too much. Got to be calm and cool. Be at peace when you trade. And good luck with your trades.